Yo, yo, what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Mr. Baker, the music maker, coming at you with another tutorial. This one's from a video game song that was originally a Russian folk song that became one of the most popular video game themes of all time. And it's Tetris, yeah, with the blocks and the puzzles and the shapes and all that. Nobody cares. Let's get to making the song because the song is awesome. Let's get right to it. Move this stuff out of the way. I'll move this up here. Now we're going to start with the settings. Want to do the settings first. One thing to change is the length. Let's double it from 4 bars to 8 bars. Blue check. Don't click the X or it won't save your settings. Now we have our tempo at 120. Tempo is the speed of the song. Let's put that at 140. Boom. No. Boom. Here is what we got so far. Settings from 4 bars to 8 bars and our tempo at 140. Now we're going to put in the drums. I always like to work from the bottom to the top. The drum part's pretty cool. It's like a Russian trepak kind of style beat. It's like the Nutcracker, right? And it goes like this. Boom, chick, boom, chick, boom, chick, boom, chick, boom, boom, chick, boom, chick, boom, chick, chick, chick. That's the pattern. Very easy. It goes circle, triangle, all the way through. So you get to the end of this gray section. You want to see these in sections of white, gray, white, gray. Those are the bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have another 4 over here. So the end of each gray section, you're going to see 3 triangles in a row instead of a circle, but no skips in between. So circle, triangle, all the way through. So you get to the end of the gray section, you want to put 3 triangles in a row. Let's keep that pattern going. Same thing for this white and gray section. Boom. That's what our pattern's looking like so far. At the end of this gray section, I have 3 triangles in a row. Just like the end of this gray section, 3 in a row. With alternating circle, triangle in the beginning. Make sure you start on a circle. And don't put any spaces in between or your pattern will get all shifted. Let's hear it so far. Cool. Let's keep that pattern going. We have to do that for the rest of the piece. Boom, chick. I'll call that the boom chick. Chick, chick, chick. Same. The end of this gray section, 3 triangles with alternating in between. That starts me off with my last 2 bars, which is a circle. Oops. Oops. Fingers all over the place. Boom, boom, boom. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Shameless self-promotion, whatever. Got that out of the way. Let's go ahead and check our drum beat so far. First part. Second part. Let's hear it. Yeah. Cool. There it is. There's our drums. So we have our settings, our tempo, and our drums ready to go. Time to put in the melody, which are the colors on top. Now, it's pretty simple. It goes from left to right. No notes are on top of each other. It just goes in a pattern across here. But spacing is going to be the trickiest part of this. So make sure your spacing is correct. Starts with the yellow. The very beginning of the first white section starts with the yellow. Then you skip one after the yellow. Then you got to put 3 colors in a row. Those colors are this: pink, red, orange. Then a space after the orange. So far we got yellow, space, pink, red, orange, space. Then you're going to go red, pink, purple in a row, just like you did here, but going the other way. Yellow, skip. Pink, red, orange, skip. Red, pink, purple, skip. Purple, red, yellow. So now we have another shape going up, but this time we're skipping here. And we're going up like this. So instead of stepping down like this, we're skipping up to these higher spots. So far, we got yellow, pink, red, orange, red, pink, purple, purple, red, yellow. Skip. Make sure you skip one after that yellow, but don't skip any between these. Now we have to do this shape again. Orange, red, pink. stepping downwards. Then a space after the pink. But first, let's check what we got so far because we got our first two beats ready to go. First two bars are great. So it starts with a yellow, skip, these three skip, those three skip, these three which go in skips instead of steps. Then you're gonna skip one after that and then go orange, red, pink down. And that if you spaced it out right, you should be at the pink right there at the beginning of the white section, the second white section. So what comes after that? Skip one after that pink. Then you're gonna go like that. Same thing, but opposite, like symmetrical, straight across. Then skip one after that orange right there. Put a yellow. Skip one after that yellow. Put a red. Let's check that so far. This white section is looking like pink, skip, pink, red, orange, skip, yellow, skip, and then red at the beginning of that gray section. Skip one after that red. Put a purple. Skip one after that purple. Put another purple. And there is your first 4 bars. Let's check it out. We got that white section, this gray section, all that's looking like a pattern that moves straight across. Nothing stacked up. The spacings are usually just 1 in between, except for the end. There's 3 after that last purple. So if everything works right, there should be 3 blank ones above these triangles right here with nothing on them. And that is the first part. Let's hear it. Let's go. There you go. There's the first part of the Tetris theme. Boom. Now we're ready for the last 8. Don't go on unless this is looking correct. Otherwise, you're going to get way off. The spacing is going to still mess you up. So make sure this is correct before you move on to the last 4 bars of our 8-bar selection. Now, have our last 4 bars. Drums are still here. All good. Let's see what that's looking like. What you start with is a space. There's going to be nothing in where you start. There's going to be a blank space at the beginning here of this white section. Then you're going to put orange. Then skip one after the orange. Put a green. Then jump up to purple. And then let's check that so far. So skip one in the very beginning of the white section. So don't put anything in the very first one. Then orange. Skip one after that orange. Then a green and do a purple with no skip between the green and purple. Then skip one after that purple and do this shape, which is teal, green, yellow. And then there's 2 skips after the yellow. Check this so far to make sure this white section looks the same, because this one can get a little tricky. So there's a space in the very beginning, orange, skip, green, purple, skip, teal, green, yellow. And yellow should be at the very beginning of that gray section. All right, let's move on. Skip 2 after that yellow. Not just 1, skip 2 this time. Put a red down here, a yellow on top of that red next to it. Then skip 1 after the yellow. Then you're going to have this shape, orange, red, pink. And that should end you right at the beginning of that white section. So check that gray section. Yellow, skip 2. Red, yellow, skip 1. Orange, red, pink. Skip 1 after that pink. Then do the other shape backwards like this. Like we did before, that symmetry, we want that symmetry again. So it goes down here. Skip 1 after the pink in the beginning of that white section. Then go pink, red, orange. Upwards. Skip 1 after that orange. Put a yellow right there. And that's the end of that white section, because there's a space right there after that yellow. Now we got just a few more notes to put in on the gray section, which is the same as that last one, I do believe, which starts with a red, skip 1, purple, skip 1, purple. Then skip 3, just like we did last time. Nothing above these 3 triangles should be there. So the red is at the very beginning of the gray, then skip 1. Purple, skip 1. Purple, skip 3. Oh, and make sure there's that space after that yellow before you put the red. If all that looks correct and it's all lined up, should sound exactly like the Tetris theme. Let's give it a whirl. There There it is. Boom. There's that famous video game thing. I don't really like the marimba. I prefer the synth because it's like an electronic kind of 8-bit sound for old Nintendo or style games. Let's check it out. Oh, there it is. Boom. One of the most famous video game themes of all time. The Russian Tetris theme. Yes. Thank you for watching. My name is Mr. Baker, the Music Maker. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit, push the link of your song in the comments. I want to see what you got. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.